There goes my baby. There she goes, there she goes. I'm gonna miss y'all. You ain't taking a pencil with you. No, sir. Leave it right there where you found it. Who does this? Uh-oh. Sorry, babe. I got you. Women and children first. Women and children first. Men, get to the back. All right, that's it, everybody. Single file line. Now, go on. Hey, you, back there. What did I say? All right. That's what I thought. Now, let me reiterate this. When you get to where you're going, I need y'all to hold it down. Hold it together for me. Feeling awfully lonely in here. Alright. Bye. See you next time. Bye. I'm gonna miss you guys. Good. Hold it down. Hold it down for me, y'all. For real, I'm serious. Don't make us look bad.